Konnichiwa, hello mga darlings, so welcome back to my channel. How are you? If you are new, you're all welcome and love here. So today I'm here in Dipolog City, Zamboanga Philippines. So I'm not at home, I'm here at the clubhouse, golf club, my friend's house. So I just came here for an two night stay because I have a class just this Sunday in the morning. So I'm at home. So I would like to have a vlog regarding what's in my bag. So what's in my bag? So this is my bag. My husband bought this one from Lazada. This is very cheap, only I think 200 pesos plus. Yes, so this is my bag. I like this one because you can do like this. So what's in my bag? Here are the things on my bag. So first, I have an alcohol. This one. I have also a wet tissue because for emergency purposes, if your stomach will get hurt. I have also my secret ingredient. So here. I have also my power bank, which I use now, and then my mirror. So Simply Pretty by Avon foundation. I have my ball pen, of course my comb, and then this one, my favorite, especially when I'm traveling, vaporing refreshing oil. So if I'm not in the mood or I'm stressed, I just put this one in my nose. And also my lipstick, Rimmel, given by my mother-in-law. And then some accessories for my hair, toothpick, of course my headset, my pouch from pen shop, so charger, I'm using already the charger, my wallet from Sophie Martin Paris, given to me during Christmas. Of course, I cannot live without handkerchief. That's all inside my bag. I hope you like it, everyone. So I will just tour you around the room. And also, I have also my notebook here. I just do like this because my bag is very small. I have my notebook as well, and because it's very cold inside, so I have like this also for, I will put like that. So I will tour you around the room which I'm staying right now. There, very nice place. And outside is a golf course. So I tour you around a bit before I will change. It's a very relaxing place here. Nagkuan ko. That's all. That's all. Naulam. Ay, shit. There are lots of people outside. I think that would be all. Mga darling, I hope you like this video of me. Sure. So thank you so much for watching. So always remember that you are great just like everyone else. Bye-bye.